Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Gage, President of Vision Commercial Development. Today we're going to talk about 4 ways that you can make money through real estate investing. Real estate investing can seem complex, but it boils down to a few critical strategies that can significantly amplify your wealth. This video isn't about buying and selling homes or properties. It's about the ways that real estate investing can potentially lead you to turn your starting capital into millions of dollars through long-term holding. Before we start, hit the thumbs up to show your support and make sure that you subscribe for more insightful real estate content. Let's get started. The first key to building wealth through real estate is cash flow. Cash flow is the monthly profit that you make after all the bills are paid, including your mortgage, maintenance, property management fees, and taxes. To really benefit from cash flow, it's crucial to find properties that rent for more than their operating costs. This might involve seeking areas with high rental demand or properties that can be improved to increase rental incomes. Over time, this consistent monthly income can be a stable source of funding for further investments or for your personal finances. For a very simplistic example, imagine that you're purchasing a duplex for $500,000. You decide to put down 30%, which amounts to $150,000, leaving you with a loan of $350,000. You rent out each unit in the duplex for $2,000, bringing in a total of $4,000 each month. After covering all monthly expenses, totaling $3,000, you're left with a cash flow of $1,000 per month. That's $12,000 annually, which is a solid start to generating income through real estate. The second wealth generator is appreciation. Over time, real estate generally increases in value, which means that the property you buy today, in theory, should be worth more in the future. Appreciation can be passive from just holding onto properties in growing markets or be active through property improvements and upgrades that increase its value. This growth isn't linear and can fluctuate with market conditions, but historically, real estate appreciation has been a reliable path to wealth, particularly when combined with strategic long-term holds. If we use our same example with the $500,000 duplex, assuming a modest annual appreciation rate of 3%, your $500,000 investment would increase in value by $15,000 in the first year alone. Over 10 years, this appreciation could cumulatively add significantly more to the value of your property, especially if it sits in a favorable market. Next, we'll talk about amortization or loan paydown. When you buy property using a loan, each payment that you make includes an amount that goes towards reducing the balance of the loan. Over the years, this not only builds your equity in the property, but also improves your wealth position as you owe less and ultimately own more of the property outright. Essentially, your tenants are paying off the property for you, thanks to the rental income covering the mortgage payments. This process turns your investment into a forced savings plan, accumulating wealth quietly in the background. In our earlier example, we took a $350,000 loan for our imaginary duplex property. Let's say that $400 of our $1,750 monthly mortgage payment goes towards the principal in those early years. This amounts to $4,800 annually, directly increasing your equity in the property. Over time, as more of your payment goes towards the principal, this benefit accelerates. Lastly, the tax benefits associated with real estate are not to be underestimated. Owning property can provide a variety of deductions that reduce your taxable income, such as deductions for operating expenses, mortgage interest, and property depreciation. These benefits make real estate a very tax-efficient investment strategy. To go further, strategies like the 1031 exchange, which I made a very in-depth video on that you can go watch, can defer capital gains taxes when you sell a property and reinvest the proceeds, allowing you to grow your investments much more rapidly. The combination of cash flow, appreciation, loan paydown, and tax benefits create a compelling case for real estate as a powerful investment tool. These elements work together to build your net worth and can accelerate your journey towards more wealth. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about real estate investing, don't hesitate to comment below. And if you're interested in commercial real estate investing and don't want to do it alone, our company, Vision Commercial Development, is always on the lookout for new investors who want to participate in groundbreaking projects. If you want to start working with the team today, head over to visioncommercialdevelopment.com and let's chat about new and fun investment opportunities that we could potentially work on together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more commercial real estate content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.